from the station that's working for you. You're watching Fox 4 News at 5.
Tonight, Amendment 3 still hangs in the balance. 1 month ago today, voters in Missouri decided to enshrine reproductive rights into the state's constitution. But with a challenge by the state's AG's office, its future is uncertain.
This is after a lawsuit was filed by Planned Parenthood and the ACLU to start reproductive care this Friday. Much of that care centered around abortion access, and we're awaiting a ruling. But within the last hour, the 16th Circuit Court has released a motion in response to yesterday's arguments. Fox 4's Malik Jackson is live outside of the Jackson County Courthouse tonight. Malik, what do you know right now?
Yeah, so what we know right now is the judge that heard this case on yesterday has only responded to a portion of the arguments heard in her courtroom, and we'll get to that in just a second. But this is all knowing that Planned Parenthood had a very strict deadline of wanting a response on this preliminary injunction by tonight so that they could start reproductive care, in particular abortion access to women in the state of Missouri, starting tomorrow on the 6th, which falls under that 30-day window that a constitutional amendment is set to take effect in this state when it is passed by voters. But right now, we still wait. Now, let's give you what she has ruled on. The judge weighing in on this motion for defendant's class here in this case, giving those entities until the 14th to file a response to this suit. What we don't have is a decision or a ruling on the preliminary injunction. That is what we're waiting on. I spoke with the courts moments ago, and they tell us what is on the books now is still the law. That is that abortion in the state of Missouri, as of now, is still illegal. Unless we hear otherwise from the judge based off of this one ruling that was just dropped really in the last hour. But it is possible that she could still rule on this preliminary injunction, although that has not happened, and she has made the decision to file this motion again, only responding to a portion of yesterday's arguments. Again, the important thing for you at home to know is that right now the books on the law is still the law, and we are waiting on the other hearing in the preliminary injunction. Fox 4 reached out to Planned Parenthood to get their response as we still are in this waiting period, and we are waiting to hear back from them. As we continue to monitor this situation, we will keep you updated at home. Bria, Kevin.